Who is the king of sea animals? In the distant deep sea, sea animals living in different regions suddenly gathered on a coral reef, lively discussing who is the king of sea animals. The bowhead whale loudly announced,
I am the longest living mammal in the sea, able to live over 100 years, so I should be the king.
The sea sponge proudly said,
Although you are long-lived, I'm the oldest animal in the ocean. My ancestors existed hundreds of millions of years ago.
The blue whale raised its tail fin and said in a deep voice,
Oldest does not mean greatest. I am the largest animal on Earth today, no one is bigger than me.
The box jellyfish flashed its light, swaying its body, and said,
So what if you are the biggest? I am the most poisonous. My toxin can quickly paralyze prey. Who dares to challenge me?
The pufferfish puffed up into a round ball, raising its spines, and said,
So what if you can catch prey? I can transform, making it impossible for any predator to swallow me.
The clownfish softly said,
Can you change from dad to mom? I can change gender.
The flounder proudly spread its body and said,
Can you change color? I am the chameleon of the seabed, able to blend into any environment.
The octopus, not to be outdone, changed the shape of its 8 arms continuously and said,
What's so great about changing color? I can imitate sea snakes and lionfish. Who can tell if I am real or fake?
The sailfish wiggled its long bill and confidently said,
I am the fastest swimming fish, reaching speeds over 100 kilometers per hour. Who dares to race me?
The shark leisurely swam back and forth and said,
Being the fastest swimmer is nothing. I can swim continuously, even while sleeping.
The squid squirted ink proudly and said, Swimming the fastest and the longest is not as good as me. When I encounter danger, I can quickly squirt ink and then escape. At this moment, an old crab walked sideways and said steadily,
Everyone is great and has their strengths. Why do we have to choose a king?
The animals quieted down, looked at each other, and began to think about what the old crab said. A small jellyfish floated over and softly said, Yeah, everyone has their own skills. Let's unite and cooperate to protect our ocean home together. The sea animals nodded one after another, beginning to realize that each animal has its unique value. They decided to stop arguing about who is the king and formed the Ocean Guard team to protect their home together. One day, the Ocean Guard team, living in different regions, gathered together because they discovered a new coral reef. Bowhead whale.
Everyone, come quickly, let's go to that new coral reef.
Blue whale.
I know the way, everyone follow me closely.
The sea animals swam and swam until they finally reached the new coral reef. Box jellyfish said,
There is a lot of food here. Let the pufferfish and I catch some.
Pufferfish said.
Okay, I'll help.
Clownfish said.
Then I'll take care of the fish babies and protect them.
Flounder said.
We'll disguise and protect everyone, blending into the environment.
Octopus said.
Great idea. I'll help.
Squid said. I'll gather information to see if there are any dangers. Sailfish said.
If anything needs to be notified, I'll help.
Shark said.
Everyone, go ahead. I'll patrol and ensure everyone's safety.
Sea sponge said.
I can help filter the water to keep our new home clean.
Everyone worked together and found that this new coral reef was great and suitable as a play area. The ocean became more peaceful, and the animals felt happy living in the sea. This story tells us that unity and cooperation are better than competition. Everyone has their talents and specialties. As long as we join hands and work together, we can maximize our strengths and create a happier and better life.